intro.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show how you can learn Arduino using the online simulator. This video is mainly for the people who don't have the components and still interested in learning Arduino programming. You can directly click the link in the description or else just search Tinkercad in the Google. You can change the color here. Okay, next we need to make a connections. So the negative terminal, the cathode, will connect it to a ground. The positive terminal will connect it to pin number 7. To write the code, just click on this. So it will be blocks in default. Just change it to text and continue. So here is a code written already. We'll remove this. In a hardware tutorial part, we have completely explained you the code. So you can refer our tutorial video in the I button for explanation. So I'll just copy the code from there. We have done. To run this code, just click on the start simulation. It's working. So you can see there is no much difference between this virtual simulator and also the original components. So we'll change the delay to 1000 and see what happens. That's it for today guys. I hope you have understood about the simulator. From the next video onwards, we'll be just using the hardware components and we'll be not doing on this. You can watch those videos itself and you can try out in this online simulator. Thank you for watching, and for the circuit and the code you can refer the description box. We'll see you in the next video.